Hello, my name is Cheung. I'm the editor of Photography News magazine. I'm in central London with David Parry from Canon UK, and he's here to show me this brand new lens. So David, what can you tell me about this exciting bit of glass you've got in front of you on the Canon EOS R?
Well, I'm really excited to bring this lens to the market. So this is the RF 24 to 240mm f4 to 6.3 IS USM. This is a 10 times optical zoom, which is a pretty impressive piece of glass to have on the front of an RP. So we've got it on the RP here at the moment. What I really like about this lens is the size and weight of it. Okay, it's not going to be small, it's not the size of an 1855 or something like that. It's a big lens, but we have to remember this is a 10 times optical zoom, and it really is comfortable on the front of an RP.
Have a feel.
So the image stabilizer in here, because obviously if you've got this long range, you need a good image stabilizer. The image stabilizer is a 5-stop, and it really works really well. And at 240mm, you need that kind of power on your image stabilizer.
Oh yeah, I've got it at 240 at the moment, and yeah, the image is floating nicely.
Yeah, so the autofocus motor in here as well is incredibly fast. It's a Nano USM motor, which is really good at shooting stills as well as shooting movies. We don't have that technology on very many lenses. Only about 3 or 4 of our lenses have Nano USM. But I'm really pleased to say that it's on this one. And have you seen the control ring here?
Yes.
So we've got 2 rings on here. So you've got this one, which is for zooming in and out, as you see there. And then this one you can use for focus, so you can use to manually focus. If you at the flick of the switch, you can get it to do something else.
Oh, awesome.
What I normally get it to do is things like exposure compensation. So you can focus up and then flick that switch and you can exposure compensate very, very quickly. It just means that it's a multi-function. You can use this ring for various different things.
And what's the minimum focus of this lens? I mean, because at 240mm, you maybe do some real good close-ups with it.
So yeah, what we really want to do with this lens, we want to make it as versatile as possible. Because if you can, we kind of describe this as a travel lens. This is the one lens you take on holiday with you. You want to do as much as possible: shoot video, shoot stills, zoom in, wide angle, portraits, all the rest of it. But also, it's not a macro lens as such. But the minimum focusing distance is 0.5 meter, so 50 centimeters at 24, or 78 centimeters at 240mm, zoomed in 240mm. So it's not a macro lens by any stretch of the imagination, but you can get some really nice effects where you can make things, you can get a magnification, you can get things looking really, really nice. And so it just shows the versatility of this lens.
So it certainly shows that Canon's committed to the EOS R system then. Because you've had obviously the 24-70, but the 50mm 1.2, which is an amazing lens.
Yeah.
But now you get into lenses which are more mass market, I'm assuming, with this.
Yes, we've got the 35mm at the moment, and once again, the 35mm is a really nice combination with the RP. It's such a nice creative thing to use. But I think this is a really nice lens to use on here. If you're looking for like one lens, one camera that will give you the best image quality that Canon can produce using the RF system, it really is exciting. And this is a great combination. This is a great lens to use for this.
Well, brilliant. David, thank you for your time. Well, for photography news readers, more product for us to test. Shows Canon's going places with this R system, and we will be testing it very shortly. But David, thank you for your time.
No problem. Thank you.